Hello, well, in this video I'm going to show you how to use basic functions such as for, while, if, and switch, as well as what is nesting them. So basically here we have a problem where I need to ask the user for two numbers and sum them. It's pretty simple actually, but well, there are quite a few ways to make it, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. This one over here is basically a for, which declares a variable at 1 and then sums values once it loops, and the condition is that it has to be lesser than 3 in order for it to keep looping. So basically it's gonna ask a number, gonna get the number, and then it's gonna sum it to this variable called sum, which is basically sum plus the number we just asked. So it's gonna keep looping and summing itself, and then we're going to print that. So let's try to see if it works. Let's save first, then compile and run. So give me a number, 1, 2, and well, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So this is one way to do it with a for. It's pretty basic. Then we're going to try to do it with a while and a switch. A switch nested inside a while. Nesting is basically putting a function inside another one, so you got that. Now here, number count, it's a variable I'm going to use to keep track of how many times I have asked the number. And well, basically the same process. I'm gonna ask for a number, I'm gonna get the number, and then well, number count starts at 0. So the first case is the first value of number count, which is 0. Then it's gonna jump to case 0, and then it's gonna sum itself. Sum plus number. Then number count is going to increase in 1 unit, and it's gonna start again. Number count is gonna have the value of 1. So this condition is true, and it will repeat itself again. So sum is going to be sum plus the value we're going to ask again, and then number count is going to increase again, and this time it's going to be 2, so this condition is no longer true, it's false, so it's going to skip, and then it's going to print it. So let's try to see if it works. Let's save, compile, run, 1, 2, and 3. So yep, it works. And now let's try to see the last one, which is basically an if with nothing else, just ifs. So well, this is probably the most basic one, since you do it manually. You ask for the number one time, and we use again number count, which starts at 0, since this over here is not gonna run. And then we use an if, which is basically just like in English. If the condition is true, then it is going to do this. Otherwise, it's not going to do anything. It's just blank. But well, in this case, we know that it's going to be true, so we need to put else. It's actually a waste of memory. So let's save. Let's run. 1, 2, and 3. So basically, same process and well, it's just different kind of ways to express it. Hope you guys liked it.